Alright guys, welcome back to the Jamaican Holistic Farm. So what we have today is a few weeks ago, I would say like about 3 weeks to 4 weeks ago, I made a barrel of silage with napier grass and some king grass and stuff, testing out my new draft machine. So this is the opening to see and what it looks like. So this is it. Smells good. See, there's a little bit mold here. Nothing much that they can't eat, a little bit. So I'm gonna feed this out now and see what comes of this. Alright, so I'll catch you back. Alright guys, so I must say I'm very pleased with the silage so far. As you can see, I mix it with their grains and add a little bit more molasses, and see, everybody's eating. And that's why I was building out my trough, so I can start feeding out silage and make silage with the grass that I cut, so I'm not feeding out fresh grass waste and feeding. See? Kid, mother, everybody. So I would show you all what the results are. Everybody's eating the silage, stems, everything. Before, as you would see, some of the grass will be on the floor because they would eat some and not eat all the stems, but with this, they should be eating everything. Everybody's eating, everybody. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna be penning out this section here soon. That's where I store my grass right now until I extend my grass storage. But I'm about to clean out the pen here now because everybody's fed, nobody's making noise. These here is the curry pen, and also this is one of the aggressive mothers that I have. I started dehorning, so I put a ban on, and a few weeks after banning her, she started fighting, and that horn fell off. Same as her sibling, as you can see here. Fight, break off that horn because I put the ban on, because they've been very aggressive. If you look closely, I had to even cut the tip of her horn in the beginning because she was beating up on other goats. And when you're having communal pen or you're doing intensive farming, you don't want to have any horns damaging your profit. So that's why we dehorn. But you can see everybody's healing up properly. No fly strikes, no nothing at all. So we're just waiting for the next one to do its thing. So on her left fell off, and her right fell off. Alright, so as you see, they're eating silage on the grains, the mixed feeding that I make. And I have more grass here that I'm gonna be troughing up and immediately put into silage. Troughed up. So I'll check you guys back. Alright? So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Follow for more updates on what we're doing here in Jamaica on DiTrimaicans Holistic Farm. I'm DiTrimaicans Senior. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the subscriptions, all the likes, all the comments, all the inputs, because we're learning as we grow. So anything that you have that you can help that is very informative, send and leave that in the comment and let me know. If I put it to use, you would see it on the farm and I will let you know. All right.